Tuesday, October 29th. Mercury's in Sagittarius, but it entered in an opposition to Uranus. Something wants to shoot it out of your brain. Did you understand what I just said? Because I didn't. But this is the point. We need to say things that don't make sense. And we need to move beyond what we think we know. There's stuff that's like shooting out of our brain that wants to be expressed in a linear way, even though we might just only have the pieces right now. It's a bit crazy, but you gotta just let it rip. Like, astrology is just a recursion. Life is just a recursion. And a recursion is something that's self-referential. So if you don't start changing who you are fundamentally, you're gonna keep getting the same stuff coming out, okay? This is all to say, this is always a good time to make a radical decision, to do the thing you're not used to doing, and you'll see how manipulable reality really is.